I would like to discuss a seismic shift in security being driven by the increasing use of AI. This shift involves a move from a decades old permission based security ecosystem that relies on identity controls, such as authentication, and data security that is dependent upon effective and well configured encryption, as well as edge security technologies that only provide coarse grained defensive capabilities. We need to transition from these models that focus on protecting data stores to models shaped by how AI is being consumed, used, and the transactional nature of these technologies. This change is not optional. It's essential for navigating the unprecedented adoption of AI. We focused on controlling access and verifying identities, and then securing data and systems as static assets for decades. But AI is transforming the game. Agents, services, features, and even applications are no longer static. They're dynamic. AI is interacting, learning, and evolving in real time in your environment. This rapid evolution demands security models capable of operating, responding, and adapting at the same speed. At the core of this shift is trust. This is not the trust that we've historically built through controlled access. This is transactional trust, securing every transaction, every request, every response, and every determination that AI makes. To achieve this, we need to prioritize three key areas. First, visibility. AI's power lies in its ability to act with varying degrees of autonomy. But with autonomy comes the problem of the black box and our inability to see the actions being taken. We need full transparency into how our AI systems interact, process, and make determinations. This requires robust monitoring and tracing mechanisms across every AI agent, service, and embedded feature that you or your company interacts with. Second, adaptability. The old security frameworks, identity driven and perimeter bound, are too rigid for AI's dynamic characteristics. Security today must flex with real time data flow, adapt to threats as they arise, and scale to meet the demands of AI's speed and volume. And third, accountability. AI doesn't operate in a vacuum. It embodies both the data it's fed and its coded intentions. Establishing accountability means ensuring that AI systems adhere to ethical standards, comply with regulatory requirements, and can be audited effectively. Some may argue that these requirements might slow down innovation and the adoption of AI. But this reminds me of the old saying, a Ferrari has brakes so it can go faster. Innovation thrives when we trust the systems and the processes that are enabling it. Secure AI isn't a roadblock. It's the foundation for operational confidence, customer trust, and long term success. As leaders, we have a choice. We can let security lag behind AI's adoption and invite chaos, or we can lead with foresight and strategy, creating an ecosystem where AI can excel safely. At Singulr AI, we're tackling this challenge head on, and I urge you to do the same. I'm Richard Bird, and I'm encouraging you not to wait for AI's growing pains to become security crises. The future of business and, frankly, the unlocking of AI's true operational potential depends on us taking action today. Singulr AI is ready to help.